Here's the Toyota RAV4. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Right over there at the bottom is the primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Toyota emblem, put one finger in there and then push it left. You're pushing on the secondary hood release lever. When you push left, lift up the hood. This is how the lever works. Now this hood requires a prop rod to stay in place. So grab the rod, put it right over there in that slot, and now it's secured. Let's start with the passenger side, and this video only applies to the LE and XLE trim. That's the bulb right there, and the way to access it is right there behind it. First thing we'll do is we'll press right there and get the electrical connector off the bulb. Now it may be a little bit tight, so be patient. It may take you a few seconds to get the connector off. Once it's off, just grab the bulb and twist it left, and now it's loose and you'll be able to get it out. The bulb size is right there on it, 9012. Check the link in description to buy the new bulb from Amazon and avoid touching the glass surface of the bulb with your bare hands. Now there are those 3 notches on the bulb, 1, 2 and 3. When you put the bulb back in, you have to make sure that those 3 notches go there behind the metal part and stay behind it when you twist your right. So get it in place, twist and turn, make sure those 3 black notches go there behind the metal, and now twist your right to lock it in place while making sure that they stay there behind the metal part. Good. At this point, just slide the connector on and click it in place, and now we are ready to move on from the passenger side to the driver's side. Exact same process over here, no differences whatsoever. That's the connector. Press down and get it off the bulb. Again, it may take you a few seconds to get it out, so be patient. Put your finger right there and then twist it left to get some additional leverage to loosen the bulb and get the bulb out. Same 9012 bulb, put it back in. And again, you have to make sure that those 3 black notches, they go there behind the metal part and stay behind it when the bulb is in the lock position. 1, 2 and 3, they're all behind it. Good. Now let's just get the connector on, click it in place, and you're done. To close the hood, first push on the hood and get load off the prop rod. Get the rod out of that slot and put it back in its place. Lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.